Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to TechLock, the ultimate destination for all things tech. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency, breaking it down step by step. But before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech insights. Are you ready to uncover the mysteries of digital gold and learn how to navigate the crypto universe like a pro? Well, you are in for a treat because in this video, we are going to demystify cryptocurrency for you, from the basics to the advanced concepts. Oh, wait a minute. I spent hours to make that video. By hitting that subscribe button, you'll stay up to date with our latest videos, never missing out on the exciting content we have in store for you. Join our community today, and let's explore the tech universe together. Now, first, you'll need a digital wallet to store your cryptocurrencies safely. There are many options out there, from mobile wallets to hardware wallets. It all depends on your preferences. Next, decide which cryptocurrency you want to invest in or use. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are some popular choices, but there are thousands to explore. To acquire cryptocurrency, you can use cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. You'll need to link your bank account, deposit funds, and make your first purchase. To acquire cryptocurrency, you can use cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. You'll need to link your bank account, deposit funds, and make your first purchase. Security is paramount in the crypto world. Here's how to keep your investments safe. Always use strong, unique passwords for your wallet and exchange accounts. Consider using a password manager for added security. Turn on two-factor authentication, 2FA, wherever possible. It adds an extra layer of protection to your accounts. Be cautious of scams and phishing attempts. Never share your private keys or sensitive information with anyone. As we wrap up this crash course in cryptocurrency, remember that the future is incredibly bright. Cryptocurrencies are changing the way we think about money, finance, and technology. So, are you excited to join the crypto revolution? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now and join our amazing community of tech enthusiasts. We have more exciting content coming your way, including in-depth crypto tutorials and the latest tech trends. That's a wrap for today's video on what is cryptocurrency step by step. Thank you for tuning in and learning with us. Until next time, stay curious and embrace the world of tech.